Here at TI, the teams work to lead the semiconductor technology. So as an intern, you get to think beyond the boundaries and genuinely contribute towards something that's going to make a difference.
For me, it would be the labs. The labs here have excellent resources and all the equipment you would need for your project work.
TI gives me opportunity to work with all the ICs which I have been using till now.
Here I have a lot of opportunity to learn. My mentor, my team was very supportive, and apart from that, we have tech scenes to enjoy our extracurricular activities as well.
I had a very vivid learning experience at TI. Everyone is very enthusiastic about teaching you, which makes it very easy to learn things here, and you don't feel embarrassed in asking even the silliest of your doubts.
The guidance that I have got from my exceptional mentors, that has been like really amazing. Like I have never felt that I am new to any concept or something.
So TI culture is very knowledgeable and yet very humble.
So biggest takeaway is the culture of inclusion. All the people here, full-times, the interns and the new ones get the same kind of exposure, which is the great thing.
TI culture is very warm, welcoming,